The final personality model we'll cover in this lecture is the Dark Triad, which reflects the darker side of personality. The big 5 traits, on the other hand, are socially desirable. They reflect positive qualities. The Dark Triad includes Machiavellianism, Narcissism, and Psychopathy. People who score high on the Machiavellianism dimension are pragmatic. They want the most for their investment of energy, time, resources. They tend to be emotionally distant and will do just about anything to get what they want. They tend to be more manipulative, persuasive, and as a result, they do tend to win more. Narcissistic people have a grandiose sense of self-importance. They think they are the best, that there's nothing wrong with them, and that everyone else is the problem. They also tend to be selfish and exploit others for their own good, like Machiavellian individuals. Psychopathy, in the context of personality, is defined as a lack of concern for other people. Individuals who score high on this dimension don't experience guilt or remorse when their actions hurt other people. Supporters of this model like that it highlights the negative side of personality. Critics don't like that the 3 traits seem to overlap. They'd like to see more distinction between the 3 for measurement purposes.